Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to discuss number systems. In number systems, different types of number systems we will learn and different types of conversion types, or we can say conversion from one number system to another number system we will learn here. So, number system. What is a number system? A number system is a method to represent numbers. Every number system has a set of unique characters. For example, if I write a binary number 0, 1, 1, so this is what? This is equivalent to 3. So any other number will not represent this value. It means it is a set of unique value. A number system is also called as positional number system. A number system is also called as positional number system because the value of each digit in a number depends upon its position within the number. For example, if I give you this number, then its value depends upon its position. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So its value depends upon its position. If I give 1 here, then it will be 1. Then if I give 1 here, then its value is 2. Its value is 1. So here the number of each digit in a number depends upon its position. So the different types of number systems are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. So we all know what is binary number system. So let us learn binary number system. So binary number system contains only two values or two digits, that is 0 and 1. All binary numbers will form using only zeros and ones. For example, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is a binary value and it will be represented as base 2. Its base is 2. And another example is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the example for binary number. Next one is octal number system. Here octal number system contains values or digits from 0 to 7. Total 8 digits it will contain. And its base is 8. Octal numbers will represent by base 8. For example, 3, 5 to the base 8. This is an example for octal number. Another example is 7, 2. This is also an example for octal number. If I give 3, 8 to the base 8, whether it will be right? No. Why? It will be wrong. Why? Because octal number does not contain 8. It contains digits only from 0 to 7. So these are the correct example and this is the wrong example. It will not contain 8. Octal number system contains only from 0 to 7 digits. So let us move to the third number system, decimal number system. So decimal number system contains total 10 values or 10 digits from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 digits it will contain. So its base value is 10. The decimal number represent by base 10. Example for decimal number is, this is an example for decimal number. These are the example for decimal number. Next is hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number system contains total 16 values. Those are 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, and after 9 it will contain A, B, C, D, E and F. And A means 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. So these alphabets from E to F represent 10 to 15 numbers. Hexadecimal contains total 16 values and these numbers will be represented by base 16. Example for hexadecimal are 2AD to the base 16, FACE to the base 16. So these are the examples for hexadecimal number, and here is the table of the various decimal numbers and their equivalent binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. Let us move to next point. Here we have different types of conversions of number systems. First one is decimal number system to binary number system. Next is binary to decimal. Next is octal to binary and binary to octal. Next is hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal number systems. Let us learn how to convert decimal to binary conversion type. This is an example of decimal number. You have to convert it into binary. So to convert this decimal number into binary, how you will calculate? So to convert this decimal number into binary, you will follow these steps. So 65, divide this by 2 because you have to convert it into binary. So divide it by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 32s are 64 and remains 1 right down here. Then 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 will come here. So it will become 12. So 2 6 are 12. So 32 minus 32, 0. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 1. So these reminders you have to write in upward direction. Consider this also. So the binary equivalent value of 65 is 65 to the base 10 is 1 0 5 zeros. Write down 5 zeros here and 1. So this is the equivalent value, binary equivalent value of 65. So convert 66 into binary. How you will convert? 66, you will divide this by 2 and you will write here remaining value. So 2 33s are 66 remains 0. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1, if 1 comes here then it will become 13. Then 2 6 are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So write down this value in upward direction. So the binary equivalent number of 66 is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 to the base 2. This is about converting a normal decimal number to binary. But in case of fractional numbers, how you will convert? Let us discuss it. Converting decimal fraction to binary. So this is a decimal fraction. Here I am giving 0. Consider 0.3125 to the base 10. Its equivalent we have to find. So what are the steps? Steps to convert from decimal fraction to binary are as follows. First is multiply 0.3125 given number by 2. it gives an integer and a fraction number. And second step is the new fraction is multiplied by the output of this. The answer of this is a new fraction, and that new fraction is multiplied by 2 to give a new integer and a new fraction. And this process, the same process, will be continued until the fraction becomes 0 or until the number of digits have sufficient accuracy. Okay, let us solve it. 0.3125, multiply this number by 2. So what you will get? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0 and 0.625. So here you got integer 0. Here I will write integer, and here I will write fraction, new fraction value. Fraction value is 0.6250. Okay. Next, multiply this fraction value by 2. Write down here 0.6250 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 zeros are 0, 1. So new value, here integer value is 1. Here integer value is 1. These values you have to write here. Then fraction is this only, fraction value only you have to write. So 0.2500. Next, consider this fraction value and multiply this fraction value. 0.2500 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 zeros are 0. So next fraction value is, first integer, write down integer, next integer is 0 and fraction value is 0.500. Next, take this value 0.5000, multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0 and 1 as it is. So integer value here is 1 and fractional value is 0. So here the process is continued until the fractional value becomes 0. Okay. So now how you will write it? 0.3125 to the base 10 is equivalent to 0. Why? Here integer value is only 0. So 0.3125 is what? Here this value you will write in downward direction. So 0, 1, 0, 1 to the base 2. This is called binary point. Let's take another example to convert decimal fraction to binary number. So convert this 12.6875 to the base 10. Its equivalent binary number. Follow the previous 3 steps and convert this decimal fraction to binary number. So here you have to separate. In previous example you had only 0. Okay, here you did not have any number. Here you had only 0, but here in this example you have 12 and here separate value, here 12 and here 6875. So separate this integer number and separate this fractional number. calculate this integer separate and calculate this fraction separate. So first we will calculate this integer part. We know this, how to calculate integer part. 12 and divide by 2. Why? Because you are converting it into binary. So 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And write down this remainder in upward direction. This is 12. 1 1 0 0 is equivalent to 12. Convert this fractional number. So what are the steps? First you have to take it as 0.6875 and multiply this number by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, 2 8s are 16, plus 1 17, 2 6s are 12, plus 1 13, and 2 zeros are 0 and 1 as it is. Here you got the integer. Here I will write integer part. Here you got the integer 1 and fraction you got here. Now take this fraction and again multiply by 2. 3750. 3750 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 zeros are 0. Here you got the integer 0 and fractional value is 0.7500. Then take this fractional value and multiply by 2. So take it 0.7500 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 is carry and 2 zeros are 0 and 1 as it is and a point. So here you got the integer 1 and fractional value is 0.5000. Now again take this value, fractional value 0.5000 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0 and 1 as it is. You got here 1, integer 1 and fractional value is 0. Okay, here you can stop the calculation and you got the integer part here. So 12.6875 to the base 10. You can write this in binary as 1100 point. What is the conversion of 6875? 6875 is 1011. This you will write in downward direction. Integer part you will write in upward direction and fractional part you will write in downward direction. So what is the answer here? 1011. So write down here 1011. This is the conversion of decimal fraction to binary.